Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of RT28-32 fuse link and RT28N-32 fuse base. Before starting, disconnect the power supply and wear insulating gloves and protective glasses. The necessary tools include wire strippers, wire crimping pliers, wires of appropriate specifications, wire noses, electric screwdriver, and a multimeter. Before starting installation, please read the instructions carefully, check whether the model of the fuse link is consistent with the intended working conditions, and select a suitable installation location. Method of installation: align the bottom of the starter with the lower edge of the DIN rail, and then push it to the upper edge to ensure that the starter is properly inserted into the DIN rail. If you need to dismantle the fuse link, push it up forcefully on the bottom of the fuse link and slightly lift the top to detach it from the DIN rail, then lightly pull it back to smoothly remove it from the rail. Before starting the wiring procedure, use a multimeter to check the RT28-32 fuse link. The fuse link works normally if a beeping sound is heard at both ends. Then open the clamp of the base, install the RT28-32 fuse link. Close the clamp, and the installation is completed. Then connect it to a wire with appropriate cross-sectional area. Use wire strippers to strip 11 to 12 mm of the copper wire, making sure the exposed copper wire is of moderate length. Finally, use the electric torque screwdriver to tighten the wires. That the torque meets the specified value is the key to ensure the safety and stability of the connection. The wiring task is complete when you complete these steps. Before powering on, make sure the clamps on the base are not jammed. After powering on, use a multimeter to check whether the circuit is powered normally. The circuit is normal if the output terminal is about 230 volts to the neutral line. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide. We provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.